what has spirituality got to do with finance is that as consciousness evolves, we're shifting into a unity consciousness, which means we're coming into oneness. And there's a law called the law of correspondence. And the law of correspondence says, as above, so below, as within, so without. If we want to create unity and as consciousness arises, we need to unify all the parts within us that are in conflict. Because as we unify within ourselves, we then project and create externally, which will create more unity. And for the most part, the circles and the environments that I hang out in, they're so driven by this concept, and the people that I spend most of my time with are so involved in their own inner work and creating this peace within themselves and cultivating this, and then taking that out into how they do business and then how they interact with the world. And I think the more that we come into this space and come into this unity within ourselves, and then we're bringing that same set of values and concepts in terms of how we interact with our clients, how we interact with our team, this is how we're stabilizing the rise of consciousness in the planet. And if you look at it over 100 years, then you'll probably find like who I am in this moment having this conversation with you to a version of somebody else having a similar conversation in 100 years' time. When they look back over how much things have shifted, you will see this rise in consciousness and more of us accepting our divine nature and our true selves and bringing that essence in.